Jai Srimanarayana. Third sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tejaha Kshama Dhrutihi Saucham Adroho नातिमानिता भवन्ति सम्पदं दैवीम् अभिजातस्य भारत। ओम Because you are trying to be inclined towards Paramatma, you are expected to have these qualities. Qualities are invincibility, forgiveness, fortitude, purity, freedom from passion for honor, freedom from envy. So keep on trying to inculcate these qualities. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely try to inculcate all the divine qualities that you are expecting me to have. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ॐ हरये नमः. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धमु 10th स्कन्धं 311th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Garutman hit Kaliya. Then Kaliya got scared and ran away and hidden in the pond in Yamuna river. That Garutman cannot reach there. Why, One of those days Garutman wanted to eat one fish from that pond in Yamuna river. At that time there was one Muni, Saubhari. He was doing his tapasya. Garutman ate away one king of the fishes. Then when that king was killed, all other fishes started crying. Seeing their grief, Saubhari got so compassionate. Meenan sudukhitan drishtva Deenan meenapatau hate. Saubhari Maharshi has seen all other fishes were crying and their grief. Then Krupaya Saubharihi Praha Tatratya Kshemamacharan. In order to offer a protection, a permanent protection to all the fishes in that pond, Saubhari said like this. Atra pravisya garudo yadi matsyan sakhadati sadyah pranaihi viyujyeta satyametat bravimyaham. He gave a curse like this. Nedu garududu nedu adigagan indu chochi meenambulanu mringa chuchaneni chachugavutamu ani ugrasapambunichen. Saubhari Maharshi gave a curse like this to Garutman, saying that from today onwards, if Garutman tries to come to this pond and eat away any fishes, he will be immediately dead. Like that, such a scary curse was given by Saubhari Maharshi. But here only Kaliya knows about this Saubhari Maharshi's sapam. Na anyakkashchana lelihaha. None of other snakes, none of other sarpas knows about this Saubhari Maharshi's curse. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 3rd sloka. Tejaha kshama dhritis saucham. Adroho natimanita. Bhavanti sampadam daivim. Abhijatasya bharata. Tejaha kshamadhritis saucham. Adroho natimanita. Bhavanti sampadam daivim. Abhijatasya bharata. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.